Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello and welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to put together a cursive phrase. So I'm going to go ahead and type my name, Norma, in a regular font. Oh, I did 2 A's. My computer is a little slow at times. I already ordered another one, but in the meantime, we need to work with what we have. Okay, anyway, so I have there, and then if you don't know, because this is a CRICUT for beginners, when you go up here, right there, you can change the font until you find a font that you like and choose it. All these fonts come with part of the program in CRICUT, but in following other videos, I'm going to show you how to download free and fonts that you pay for. But for right now, you see this is supposed to be cursive. Let me bring it up a little bit. But it's not connected, so we want it to connect. You have up here, you have this option that you have the font size, the letter space, and the line space. For now, we need to do the letter space, so we're gonna bring it down, and you see how the letters are moving. So you bring them as close as you can. If you look here, the R is already overlapping. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna ungroup, and you're gonna go right here and click on group. Let me close this. But before you do that, you need to write down, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I get these little cards, and I get them at the dollar store, and I have this file thing. And whenever I get an order for whatever, with my CRICUT or anything else I do, I write the name of the person and what I'm doing and the font that I'm using. Number one, so I have a record in case they order me t-shirts with the same information. I've been doing quite a few t-shirts with logos for work and for businesses, for the realtors, or just different groups. So that's what I do. But mainly, the reason why you want to write down, and here it is. See, the cursor is right there. That's the name of the font. The reason why you want to write it down is because as soon as you ungroup it, it's not going to show the name of the font anymore. And it can be like a pain in the booty when you want to use it again and you don't know which one it is. So then we're going to ungroup it, and I showed you where I'm going to ungroup it. So we're going to click on group. And another thing that you want to do, you want to line up the word that you want to put together. You want to put it against the line so that you don't get all crooked, okay? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to separate the N a little bit. Then I want to connect the R with the O, so I'm just going to go here. Let me see, a little more. Okay. Right there. And then I'm going to bring the M as closer so that it connects right there. And make sure that everything is like above the line. And then we bring in the A to connect with the M. Okay, then with your cursor on the left hand side, you're going to drag and highlight the whole thing. So there you have it. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to click right this word that says weld. So you're gonna weld it, and it shows you up here that it's put together again, and it's showing you right here that the word is together. There you go. And see, let me show you. Right here where it says weld results, you don't see the name of the font anymore. So you gotta be careful with that. Okay, you guys, well, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it very much. I hope this information helps. If you do like the content of my videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and share. And may the Lord bless you today and every day, and stay safe. Until next time.